One of the tools we use for dividing music up into phrases is the idea of a cadence. A cadence is just a way of either fully completing a musical phrase or partially completing a phrase. These are typically referred to as a finished cadence or an unfinished cadence. And we can sort of make an example or a parallel to literature. If we have a sentence, we might divide it up into two phrases, the divider of the two phrases being a comma, the completion of both phrases being a period. And so an unfinished cadence is like a comma, and a finished cadence is like a period. And it lets us just break the music up into the two components. As a good little example of this, if I just play a simple G and C chord alternating, when I want to put a pause in a comma, I'll use an unfinished cadence. In this case, it'll be an A minor to a D, which is the second degree chord to the fifth degree chord. And when I want to use a finished cadence, I'm going to go from a fifth degree chord back to the tonic. It's going to sound like this. And so we really see how nice and easy it is to split the music up. The unfinished cadence sounds like a little more is to come. It's not a complete thought. And then when we use the finished cadence, we've now completed our thought, and we're going to have the resolution of coming back to the tonic. It's a really neat idea, and we're going to explore this for a little bit in a few videos.